while we're all together. It's true that evidently, like, finance is changing in the last, 10 years. We've seen things progress so much. And what I think what we could say is that, yes, it's true. Blockchain is very, very interesting at the moment because there's a number of different possibilities that you can look at. You can look at different use cases, whether it's within the financial industry and within banks itself. But then we've also seen decentralized finance coming around. We've seen people are actually building things outside. And so ultimately the question is, how can you create a cohesive financial environment that actually answers to all these participants over the next decade? And so, actually on top of blockchain, as you mentioned, what could also potentially be interesting is the fact that as people become more comfortable with financial services, not necessarily coming directly through a large bank per se, but coming through smaller startups, smaller fintechs and such, it'll mean that there's going to be a plethora of different, services that I would actually call these microservices that are going to be able to really feed to niche consumers that maybe larger corporations and larger financial institutions haven't been able to service in the past. And so we're looking forward to being able to regulate all of that in a very safe, secure, and evidently neutral environment, so that there is the means of essentially leveling the playing field for everybody who wants to provide good financial services.
Thank you for enlightening this. So